Hello friends, in this video we will discuss section 5 and 6 for preparing a business plan, that is product or services and marketing and sales plan. So after you have described your business organizational structure, it's time to dive into the product or service that your business provide. With this section, your goal is to lay out your plans for positioning your product. So when preparing a business plan, you can start off this part by describing your services or product and who is intended for. That is, what need does it specifically fulfill. So to break down this further, here is exactly what this section should contain. So first point is a description of your product or service. So in this point, you have to include the details of your product and highlight what makes your product or service stand out. Be sure to speak towards how your product serves the needs of your customers and how it's different than competitors. This is all about farming the problems as well as the solution your business is offering. Then the second one is current status of the product. So here you have to explain where your offering currently stands. Is it just in the idea stage or do you have a final product ready to go to market? So give a realistic and honest picture of how develop your core product or services. Then the third one is product development research and goals. So if your product is still in the ideation or creation phase, describe how you will bring it to the finalized product. So what research and development activities need to be done before your product go to the market. Also, if you have any plans for future products you had like to research and develop, note them here. The third one is intellectual property. This is mostly applied to technology or scientific companies. But if you have intellectual property that is proprietary to have your business and crucial for your success, you should explain that in your product development section. Note if you have any patents or in the process of patent application process, then you can mention it right here. The next one is sourcing and fulfillment. Do you rely on other vendors to provide your product or services? If so, be sure to make that clear when you are writing a business plan. Include information about where you are sourcing your products, then where any inventory or materials are coming from, then how you receive them, and how often you need fulfillment. Ultimately, this section of your business plan reserves for letting the core of your business, that is your product or your services. So this is enough for the fifth section. Now that you have given all the crucial details of your core product offering or service offering, the next step is learning how to prepare a business plan is explaining how you will sell and market your product or service. So let's start with the marketing side. How will you create customers and get them interested in your business? So in general, here is what the marketing part of this section might look like. So first thing is positioning. So the first part of your marketing plan covers how you are positioning your business and products. The way you position your brand determine how customer finds and interact with you. So are you a free service or the service that can guarantee the quality? So this is what makes you stand out against your competitors in a branding science. The next thing is most important, that is promotion. So after you have explained how you will uniquely position yourself, now explain where you all get the word out here and how you will reach your customers. So this involves any plan you have for packaging your product, then advertising the product, that is online or in traditional media sources, then dealing with public relations or engaging in content marketing practices. So these all things should be included in promotion. So once you have a marketing framework explained, Now dive into the sales plan. So basically sales plan consists of two parts. So first thing is sales force. In this part, describe who will be selling your product. Do you need a sales force? If so, how big does your sales team need to be? Who will train them? Then you have to appoint a chief sales officer. So you have to mention your details of your sales team in that sales force. The next one is selling strategy. So give an overview of how you will sell your product or service. That is, will your team be cold calling potential customers or attend sales meeting in person? This is how you will start and close the deal. Be sure to describe what the sales funnel look like for your businesses. Although you might not know exactly how your sales and marketing will play out just yet, or which channels will be most successful for you, you will nevertheless want to give a clear and concise overview of how you will plan on selling your product. So the most important part of any business plan is listing the key theories that need to be proven for the new venture to work, as well as the test that will be run to prove or disprove these theories. Therefore, as your business progresses and can test your sales and marketing theories, and as you learn more, you can come back to this section and change or adjust the information as necessary. So this is enough for this video. In next video we will discuss about details your financial plan and projection, and last one is appendix.